Welcome back. I'm really excited to announce we've got a fun, action-packed 30-minute Matt's Weather School special. That'll be Wednesday at 7 p.m. on ABC. We've got a lot going on. We get some drone shots at a wind farm. We're in a wind tunnel. You'll see some storm chasing. And also, I think the most important thing, of course, is Gunther the weather dog. You're going to be able to see my Gunther and, and his little tornado helmet. You know, pets need to be protected too. And does he look kind of awkward or scared too? Because he was both. He didn't really love having that little helmet on, but don't worry. We didn't force it on. He was good for a little bit, and then we gave him a treat afterwards. So, yeah, that'll be at 7 p.m. on ABC. Now, let's take a look at the current weather. You know what? We were actually, at least a good portion of the area was under a moderate drought for a couple weeks. Now, the moderate drought has only been basically carved out into portions of northwest Ohio, like Defiance and Williams County. Other than that, no drought. It's been abnormally dry, but no official drought. So that's good news. We're taking a step back from what was really a pretty dry period. In fact, much of the Midwest and East has kind of gotten away from a lot of that extreme drought. Most of that now is out to the west, which is, you know, something you might actually expect in the summertime. So at least things are getting to a little more normal. Now, temperature-wise, take a look at this. So the first 6 days of July, we were at 92.5 degrees. That was the average high temperature. The first 6 days of this month, 76.6 degrees. So yeah, a huge difference in the first few days of each month. And so if you feel like you've kind of been cheated out, you know, we only had a month of summer weather, don't worry. That hotter weather will return. Take a look at this. We're calling this a tale of 2 months. 95 degrees. That was the high just last month today. 95 on July 6th. And today's high, 79. That's a 16-degree difference. And we're going to see that cooler weather continue into tomorrow before things really begin to heat up. Maybe not to early mid-July levels, but it will get a little warmer. Mid to upper 70s across the northern half of the state, mid 70s in southern Michigan, low 80s to the south. The almanac shows that we did get to 79 and 53 for a high and low, but the average is 83 and 62 with that record high of 101 set back in 1918. Again, not quite that hot over the next few days, but it is going to get a little warmer. Upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow evening and afternoon, and then by Saturday morning we start off in the mid 50s and end into the low 80s. And we're also looking at some pretty pleasant weather too. We'll see partly to mostly clear skies tomorrow afternoon and then once again into Saturday afternoon. So no weather concerns there, but the long range shows that warmer weather will be dominant next week. So it's going to be a lot hotter next week than it was this past week. And it's also going to be just a little bit wetter, although the wettest weather should be reserved to the south. We'll be a little more on the normal side of things, but expect at least a few days where we could see some storminess and a few heavy thunderstorms. So mid-August still looks pretty hot, with the hottest weather reserved to the south and to the north, with average precipitation through the middle of the month. So because of this, I don't expect any drought conditions to worsen through the middle of the month. I actually think we'll be pretty much where we should be. Now, Storm Track extended forecast shows partly sunny skies through Sunday with temperatures into the mid 80s and increasing humidity, although the mugginess will really be felt Monday through Thursday of next week. Best chance of rain and storms at this point seems to be Monday.
I'm enjoying the break from the humidity right now, though, and it's nice.
This has been great. And we'll get another break in fall, but it's still summer. Might as well feel like it.
I guess so,
Yeah.
Matt. Thank you. When we come back tonight, we're looking out